There once lived a girl named Annie. Annie was a brave and courageous girl who loved to explore every corner of the surrounding nature. One sunny morning, Annie and her parents moved into an old house, which seemed to whisper secrets from her past. As the sun dipped below the horizon and the moonlight played in Annie's window, a strange and eerie sound was heard in the house. Anya's heart pounded frantically as she, hidden under the blanket, tried to decipher the mysterious sound. It was as if someone in the attic was running fast and scraping the boards. The sound sent shivers down her spine. Night after night, the ghostly noise echoed through the house, leaving Annie with widened eyes and a pounding heart. Lying in bed, she imagined all sorts of creepy creatures lurking in the shadows in the attic. Her parents tried to calm her down, saying it was probably just the wind or the old house settling. But Annie could not get rid of the feeling that something unusual was happening. One day, tired of being scared, Annie made a decision. With a flashlight clutched in her hand and determination in her heart, she crawled up the narrow stairs leading to the attic. Each step creaked beneath her feet as if to warn her to turn back, but Annie was adamant. The attic was dimly lit, the beam of Annie's flashlight casting eerie shadows on forgotten knickknacks and dusty furniture. Cautiously making her way deeper, Annie held her breath. Suddenly, someone ran right in front of Annie and ducked into a shabby wooden box in the corner of the attic. Her heart raced as she walked over to the box and shined her flashlight to examine it. Inside the box were a mama cat and her little kittens, snuggled together and snoozing peacefully. Annie's fear faded away, replaced by a warm sense of wonder. Annie knelt down next to the box, and her fear gave way to curiosity and tenderness. She reached out a trembling hand to stroke the soft fur of the mama cat. The cat hissed, its eyes blinked and met Anya's gaze. For a moment there was a silent understanding between them, as if the cat knew that Annie wished her no harm. As the days turned to weeks, Annie often visited the attic, bringing cozy blankets and pillows for the cat family. She named the mama cat Luna, and her kittens Star, Midnight, and Shadow. Anya's heart burst with happiness as she watched the kittens play and frolic, and their fearful meows became music to her ears. Word of Anya's attic friends spread throughout the city, and soon her friends began coming to visit the adorable feline family. The attic became a place of joy and laughter, a secret hideaway where Annie and her friends could escape from worldly cares. And so Annie's courageous quest to confront her fears led to a heartwarming discovery that turned the eerie sounds in the attic into a tale of friendship and wonder. As the years passed, Anya's home was filled with the timeless melodies of meowing and laughter, reminding everyone that sometimes the scariest things can lead to the most magical moments.